Meet the $160,000 Italian Speedster that's rewriting the rules of open-top sports cars. This isn't just another Caterham 7. It's a masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship, the Scoperta. And trust me, it's unlike anything you've seen before. Designed by Camal Studio, the same geniuses behind the world's first hyper-limousine, the Scoperta pays homage to the golden age of Italian automotive design from the 1950s and 60s. But this isn't just nostalgia on wheels. It's a bold fusion of timeless aesthetics and cutting-edge engineering. Look at those curves. From the sinuous, organic shapes to the rear diffuser and compact windshield, every inch of the Scoperta screams elegance and performance. Even the 19-inch wheels aren't just for show, they're designed to enhance both its look and its razor-sharp handling. Step inside and it gets even better. The Scoperta's cabin blends tradition with modernity. High-quality materials meet advanced digital tech, while geometric lines and minimalist design keep the focus on the driving experience. Oh, and that gated manual gearbox? Pure joy for any driving purist. Underneath, the Scoperta is built on the Caterham 7 485 platform, retaining the raw, thrilling drive the British brand is famous for. But it's powered by a 2.0-liter Ford Duratec engine, amped up to deliver 240 horsepower. That's more power, more speed, and a lot more style. Before we continue, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. At just 1,235 pounds, about the weight of a Mazda Miata, this car is feather light. Combine that with its 240 horsepower engine, and you've got a recipe for a driving experience that's as exhilarating as it is beautiful. And here's where it gets really exclusive. The Scoperta isn't mass-produced. Each car is tailored to its owner's specifications by Camal Studio's expert team. With a price tag starting at $160,000, it's one of the most expensive Caterhams ever made, but it's also one of the most special. With delivery times of 6 to 8 months, the Scoperta is a car worth waiting for. It's more than just a machine, it's a piece of art, a nod to Italian heritage, and a glimpse into the future of bespoke automotive design. So what do you think? Is the Scoperta the ultimate Italian speedster? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more jaw-dropping car content. This is Fuel Factor and we'll see you in the next one.